Hi, I'm Sai Kiran, working for Capacious IT Services. Capacious IT Services are experts in Oracle Hyperion planning and other applications. I would like to take the opportunity to explain and describe how cells and blocks are formed in which combinations. Before that, we need to know what is dense and what is sparse. Dense is we have high number of probability of data, and sparse is we have less number of probability of data. Whereas in the dense, we have accounts and periods created in dense. Whereas in sparse, blocks are created from the combination of sparse. Let me show you a quick view in a Excel sheet how the dense and sparse combinations are formed and how the cells and blocks are formed by dense and sparse combinations. Here we have 4 dimensions: account, period, entity, and grade. Here account and period are placed under dense combination, and entity and grade are placed under sparse combination. So the number of cells in the account dimension are 4, and period we have also 4, and in entity and grade also we have 4 in each. So 4 number of cells in each dimension. But account and period are placed under dense, and entity and grade are placed under sparse dimensions combinations. So basically we have a storage space which is 8 byte, that is an default, and for the total number of combinations, here we take the formula as dense into sparse. That is dense, will take account and period, that is 4 into 4, 16, and sparse, here entity and grade will take the total 4 into 4, that is 16. That is 16 into 16, that is 256. Likely, we have total number of cells over here, that is dense into dense, that is account into period, that is 4 into 4, we have 16, and also we have total number of blocks. The formula is sparse into sparse. The sparse into sparse combination is which we get the block number of block. There is 4 into 4 here, that is 16. That is the block size, and the number of stored cells is number of stored cells in dense combination. That is, these are all stored cells. That is 4 into 4 again, that is 16. And we go to next, number of stored blocks, that is number of stored cells in sparse combination. That's what we get of number of stored blocks. Number of stored cells in sparse combination is 4 into 4. That is also 16. That is the block size, number of stored block. And the block size is number of stored cells into 8 bytes. 8 bytes is what we have mentioned is a storage space, and number of stored cells, we know number of stored cells is 16. So 16 into 8, 128 bytes. So if we want to convert that into kilobytes, we do it as 128 divided by 1024. That was a default KB value. Then we will get the total size in KBs, kilobytes. And also in the cube size, we know number of stored blocks into block size. Number of stored blocks, we know number of stored blocks is 16, and the block size is the block size is 128. 16 into 128, that gives 2048 bytes, by divided by 1024, that is 2 kilobytes. After conversion, what we'll get. So, and the potential block size here, the potential block size is the total size. This is the maximum size. So we have mentioned total number of cells into 8 bytes. So total number of cells is total number of cells is 16. Total number of cells 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So 16. Sorry, 4 into 4. Total number of cells, that is dense in the dense. We got 16. So into 8 bytes. So 128 is the maximum size in a cube for the block size, and in the cube size, the total number, the potential cube size we get is total number of blocks into potential block size. So total number of blocks, what we have got here is 16 into potential block size. Into potential block size is 128. 16 into 128 is 2014. That is the maximum size we have get in a cube. And the recommendation for a cube is 8 kilobytes to 100 kilobytes. That is the maximum we can store in a cube. This is a simple combination of cells and blocks, how they are formed, and this is how the basic cells and blocks combinations works. Thank you for giving the opportunity. I'm exclusively available on MyCapacious. Thank you.